The James Webb Telescope doesn't just see the universe, it allows us to hear it. Listen to the Southern Ring Nebula. These echoes represent the layers of gas and dust being pushed away by a dying star. This is WASP 96b, a giant gas planet. Its sonification reveals the presence of water vapor in its atmosphere, like cosmic raindrops. And finally, closer to us, the whistles of Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon, captured by the Juno mission. From stardust to alien moons, the universe is a masterpiece for the ears.